Iceberg Jim, back at y'all with another one, and I'm reviewing the original recipe chicken at KFC. And you say, why am I reviewing the original recipe chicken at KFC? It's been around for a long time. Well, to be honest, the last time I had it, maybe a year or so ago, the chicken didn't have that nice brown color to it. It was more of a high yellow type of color to it, and it wasn't coated in the breading, seasoning, what have you. You could actually see the chicken. It was almost like it was sprinkled on there. And secondly, I'm trying the original recipe is because I was disappointed the other day when I had the extra crispy in terms of having extra crispy in terms of the KFC wraps, the chicken littles, which used to be the chicken. I believe no, the chicken. Yeah, chicken littles, which used to be the snackers back in the day, and also with the bacon and cheese or cheese, bacon, and chicken sandwich that they have, which used to be referred to as the double down sandwich, because now the double down, the two pieces of extra crispy chicken where you have the cheese and the bacon in the middle is now called the double down sandwich. So they switched it up in terms of that. And I've been very disappointed with KFC in terms of that. And I hope this original recipe is on point, that is on par, that is up to snuff. Now, so far, it looks good. It looks like how it's supposed to be. That brown, that golden brown, and it's covered with the breading and the seasoning. I'm happy about that. That's what I'm talking about. I got some hot sauce. Go with it. KFC sauce. Really not a fan of KFC sauce, but I'll try it again. But I'm here just to go in on the chicken and give you my opinion about it. Biscuit, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Oh yeah, starting with this wing. Much better than my last experience. Even with my last experience, the skin and what have you was all gooey, kind of jelly-like. I did get it from a different location compared to my last experience, so I just think KFC is inconsistent. But their best chicken is still the original recipe. It has the most flavor. Extra crispy used to be flavorful back in the day to me. I enjoyed chicken minis. I enjoyed those double down sandwiches, which is now the bacon, cheese, and chicken sandwich, or what have you. But extra crispy just doesn't really have much flavor to it. It used to be a little more savory and maybe even garlic kind of flavor to it. Now, some people say they changed the recipe from back in the day. That's probably true, but hey, the original recipe, still tasty. So it's a go for me. Because last time I had original recipe, I was disappointed. Other day, had extra crispy in terms of tenders and sandwiches or what have you. Disappointed. Delete the KFC app off the phone. But I'm happy with this. Good consistency. Fried the way I expected. Getting not gooey. I'm happy with this. My faith is restored in KFC. So yeah, I just wanted to share my opinion on it. Scene was really good with the Colonel. I'm happy about this. Now, could it be more flavorful? Yeah, I'm sure. Sure it could. But hey, compared to that extra crispy, world's better. And still a good flavor to it. So, yeah, that's how I feel about it. Original recipe at KFC. Gets the job done. Still banging. Iceberg Gym out. Deuces.